Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a transformative challenge that could revolutionize your weight management journey. We'll explore the powerful shift from sugar to fiber and its incredible impact on your health and well-being. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to take on the Sugar to Fiber Challenge and supercharge your weight management efforts. Are you struggling to shed those extra pounds? Feeling drained from fluctuating energy levels? It might be time to rethink what you're consuming. The secret lies in the simple yet impactful swap from sugar to fiber. Let's uncover the sneaky ways sugar creeps into our diets, wreaking havoc on our bodies and hindering weight loss goals. From hidden sugars in processed foods to sugary beverages, it's everywhere. We'll uncover the detrimental effects of excessive sugar intake on our metabolism and overall health. Now, let's shine a light on fiber, the unsung hero in weight management. We'll explore how fiber-rich foods not only keep you feeling fuller for longer but also aid in regulating blood sugar levels and boosting metabolism. Understanding the difference between good and bad carbohydrates will be a game changer. Are you ready to take action? Introducing the Sugar to Fiber Challenge. We'll provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to transition from a high-sugar diet to a fiber-rich one. From meal plans to easy recipes, we've got you covered. Here's where you come in. Join us in this transformative challenge. Start by incorporating more fiber-rich foods into your diet while cutting back on hidden sugars. Share your journey with us in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, by making this simple yet powerful shift, you're not just managing your weight, you're investing in your long-term health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more transformative challenges and health tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay empowered,